Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a very short video of how to get a free gold egg. Watch. Go in the werewolf area. Go in as quick as you can. And you see that gold egg? You have to be very quick to get it. You see spiders? Jump and see? And I got it. Okay? Now you get it. That's how you get the free golden egg. Bye. Say bye. I got a free golden egg. I'm going to say it epic. Got it. So now you know how to get the free golden egg, but you have to be very, very quick. So like and subscribe, and yeah. But also follow me, press the follow button, search up EpicSense9, and join my group if you're a boy. So I'll go again. See that gold egg? See this? Spiders? Get it. And then you get it. Okay, bye everyone. Woo!